Lightsizer and PSA open the gate to the world of particle characterization. Anton Paar's Kalliope software is a professional navigation tool that provides an easy and complete overview as well as the insights you require. Kalliope is designed as a platform compatible with both of Anton Paar's instruments made for particle characterization. From laser diffraction to DLS or ELS, all can be operated with the same software. Kalliope has many innovative features. Kalliope's linear workflow shows all measurement settings and results in one page. It displays all relevant data in an intuitive way, providing an easy-to-grasp overview and absolute control over the measurement. Kalliope enables tracking and real-time monitoring of the measurement over time, regardless of its particle size or zeta potential, temperature, pH, or concentration. The Pharma option with built-in data security functions, user management, and audit trails makes Kalliope fully compliant with the US FDA's 21 CFR Part 11. A comprehensive pharma qualification package, PQP, is also available. A single click can activate an application-specific measurement mode, whether the proteins have to be measured or a soil classified. Kalliope will optimize your work and the measurement configuration and displays the results automatically. Whenever needed, you can always recalculate your results all over again. And remember, you can always compare results from different experiments or easily export the data for further analysis. You can also use the automatic report template or customize it according to your needs. Visit our webpage for more information.